Angels are finally up, and while I'm watching the Blue Angels fly, I'm going to eat my delicious funnel cake. We're here at Fairfield, California, at Traverse City Air Force Base. We're here to see the air show today, so let's find out what planes or jets we'll see here today. This is the C5 Super Galaxy.
Yeah! Find a ladybug! What is ladybug?
Oh my gosh!
Lance, where are we at?
Inside of the C5 Galaxy. Anyway,
Up you go.
what's the name of the plane again?
It's a PBJ.
PBJ.
Alright,
Thank you.
see? Yellow handle and that black and yellow one up there.
Oh, just videography. All right.
The inside.
I'll take the tickets off your hands now though.
Do I just go in here or?
Reach up, reach up, pull up. Right there, as far as you can. You headed down the tunnel?
Not yet, but
All right,
take it.
come on back down.
There's more about what you got.
I think this is where they shoot the gun. Yeah. Probably. Japanese Zero, but we can't go inside because under maintenance.
Yeah, come here! Oh, yeah, come here.
And Lance, what's this?
1947 car?
What is it?
1947 car. Yeah, I think this is an old car.
So fast!
Yeah, this is really old car, 1947. But I'm not sure what these are.
Wow.
What kind of car is this? We're here looking at the two F-35s right here.
Around 6,600 of these airplanes, both in-house and on license in countries in Canada and Japan. With this particular jet being given Canadair CT-133 Silver Star.
I just wanted to
Painted in the colors used by the
I think the people that are sitting down are the two pilots that are supposed to fly this. plane over there. Do you know what's it called?
The one with the net?
Yeah,
Let me take a look. I can't see that one. Sorry, bud.
Yeah, see?
That one's the KC-10.
KC-10.
You
Yeah.
can tell because it has the third engine on the back. If you
Oh, there you are. Go.
see on the back, it has that big engine, big circle thing on the back. That's how you can tell it's a KC-10. The one over there, that's a KC-46. So that's how you can tell those two apart.
And that's a tanker, right?
Yes, sir.
It carries fuel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
KC-10. I was talking to the guy over there, and he said that this plane is a KC-10. This plane, it fuels the other planes that are in the air, and the other planes go under that tail right there, and that's where they pump the gas.
knows it will. Even extremely low air speeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level up. Execute an immediate 360-degree flat turn, then reverse the turn in the opposite direction. All at under 3,500 feet of altitude and under complete control.
Black Hawk Down. Oh yeah. This is the inside of it. Oh. There are some small choppers right here. Yeah, let's try and get this. I want to get inside another one.
Hey, you guys are down in town.
We are. You still have OP10?
I don't.
This next act, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we know that you know that Travis Air Force Base is the gateway of the Pacific. You think it's time to
It's called an AH-1 Zulu Cobra. A cobra, yep, like a snake. Just like that. Okay, you're welcome.
Is this the some Apache or Cobra one?
Cobra.
Cobra, right? Yeah. It's a Cobra one, Lance. It's nice.
Thank you.
For shade, people go under the wings of the plane or just go in.
You mean they go under
Yeah, under the plane entirely.
to get some shades?
Yeah, it's really kind of cold in there, but it's worth it. Take a break. Not beat the sun.
Lance, how'd you like it so far?
10 out of 10.
What?
10 out of 10. Very good.
Did you enjoy?
Had fun.
You see the F-22 Raptor?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
It's loud.
See the maneuvers?
They went up and then they went down, turning.
Then stay like looping,
I know.
and it flew backwards too.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. There's an ancient warhog and it looks pretty cool.
Jet, helicopter, and tilt rotor aircraft. Additionally, Marine Corps KC-130 serve an integral role in the Marine Air-to-Ground Task Force around the world. Most recently, they have been employed in operations throughout South America, Africa, Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia.
We're still waiting for the Blue Angel, but it's gonna come up soon. So we'll see you when it comes up. The Blue Angels are finally up, and while I'm watching the Blue Angels fly, I'm gonna eat my delicious funnel cake.
rotate 360 degrees over center line.
Show is over, people are starting to leave, so me and my family are going home. But make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.